welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, January 3rd. As you see, I am literally, this isn't even half of it. It looked crazier before, but I put some stuff away. I went grocery shopping. Next day, it is Tuesday, and I am putting up my stuff, and it's coming out so nice, and I'm so excited. It's been taking me a while. I literally started as soon as I got home, but I'm liking how it's turning out, so I wanted to show you guys what I have so far. This little shelf, I still have to organize it and put my business stuff, like my packaging and stuff down here. So ignore that mess. But I put together my chair. I got this for like $5 from IKEA. I'm gonna get like a cute little cover to put over it, but I thought this would be perfect to just sit here. I'm gonna put my laptop and like my printer and stuff over here. And then I'm gonna put these two shelves right in this corner. I got this picture. My little brother got me this for Christmas. I'm saying little brother, he's a grown man, but he's still my baby brother. So he got me this for Christmas, and I thought it was just so cute, and I love how it kind of goes with my room theme. I thought that was super thoughtful. And he mentioned how this would look cute in my boutique one day, so I figured why not put it in my boutique corner. So I put that up here, and that was just so cute and super thoughtful. And then I have my flowers, my vase that I got here from Target. And then I have my calendar. I got this from Home Goods, and it's a nice and dry erase, so I just wrote out all the dates and stuff. And I'm gonna use this to help keep me organized. And I got these little hooks, these command hooks, and I'm gonna hang my vintage designer bags around because I think that would look super cute. So I have this Burberry that I'm gonna hang up there. And then I already mounted those two shelves over here in this corner. I like the way it looks because I need an area to put my phone, so this is perfect. So I just have my phone sitting here, and then I got this candle from Target. This one I got a while ago from Target. I just like the way that aesthetic looks, like the black and the white. Ignore these holes, y'all. I was going through it. There are so many holes in my wall now. Like, that took me so long to figure out. I was literally thinking like, man, what does my dad do like when he's putting up stuff? And it just took me a long time to figure it out, but I got it figured out. I'm a little scared though. I hope this stuff don't fall. While I was hanging this up, I had put these pictures up. They're uneven. I gotta fix that. Now is actually the perfect time for me to fix it. But yeah, I put these pictures up by myself, and while I was like hammering this stuff in the wall, the picture fell, and I was like, oh my goodness. Y'all, this is a lot of work, but it's getting there, and I'm so excited to see how this all turns out. I got these cute little cabinets from Target as well to put in the shelves to help with like organizing. But yeah, yesterday, I'm gonna move this rack. I'm gonna get rid of the rack because I don't have space in my room right now. But I took my Christmas tree down yesterday. So that's how that looks like. Cleaned, rearranged that, and yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna keep working, and if anything, I will update you guys once I'm done. I still need to like work on a couple of things before I show everything, but this is how my little boutique nook is coming out. I gave up on trying to hang those shelves, guys, because they kept falling down. I got those two up, but at night the bottom one fell over, and I woke up so scared. Like, I was like, what? And like, it just fell completely off the wall. So I put that back up there, but that took me hours, guys, to do. And I still have two more that I was gonna put in that corner, but like, I could not get it done. Like, look at these holes. This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. Like, what? I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I had gotten from Zara yesterday. I did stop by Zara because I needed to return something, and they were having their sale where everything was like on sale. So I wanted to show you guys what I had picked up. I got this nice little top, and I was a little skeptical about it at first, but I love basics like this and I love the color. So I got this, and then I got these nice knit sweatpants. I really like the way they look. They're super comfortable and they're nice and thick. Like, I really like them. These pants, I really like them. They're nice and stretchy. I love the color brown. Like, I feel like I look like a chocolate bar or something when I wear these. But the only thing is I noticed they are a little see-through, but that's okay. In 6 weeks, I feel like, so. Alina's face in the background is because I'm watching her. Like, I love watching her vlogs, like, while I'm doing stuff. It's perfect. But what I'm doing now is I'm making some Thai tea. I don't know why I was craving Thai tea. So this is my first time trying to make it. I got this from H-E-B. This brand here. It's authentic Thai tea. I'm gonna make it iced, so yeah. I'm gonna throw some ice cubes in here, but I'm just letting the tea steep a little bit. I'm gonna add some sugar, just regular white sugar. I thought of doing honey, but I'm like, I don't know why I was craving this, guys. I just saw it on the shelf and thought, oh, Thai tea is kind of good. I haven't had it in years, honestly. So I kind of forgot how it tastes like. But yeah, I've been craving random things, guys. The other day, I was craving a Big Mac. I was craving a Big Mac the other day. So I made a turkey DIY type of Big Mac. It came out fire. I'll have to film myself making it again because it came out so good. But yeah, I've been having like the weirdest cravings. No, I am not pregnant. I think it's just because like I love food. I'm always down to eat. So I don't know. But I'm gonna add in some sugar. So our texture has definitely loosened up quite a bit. I have much more of like I don't really have any ringlets. Now obviously my hair is fully dry, but usually at this point, like, cheers. Thai tea. So yeah, I'm about to show you pretty good. I feel like I remember it being a lot sweeter. I feel like I may need more sugar, but I don't like my stuff to be too sweet, so this is perfect for me. I like it. Guys, oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm just now trying this because this has been viral from TikTok for months now. But oh my goodness, this is so good. I meant to come on here and show you guys my plating. It was really cute before I mixed everything together because that's how you're supposed to eat it. It's like all mixed up. But shoo. It's good, okay? It's really good. To like mash everything up, mix everything together. But these are the seaweed. I'm using the sesame seaweed. And oh my gosh. Okay, it is what is it, Thursday, and I just got home from work and I'm so excited because my package was delivered. This is all the stuff that I had ordered for my boutique. I'm having a new collection, starting off the new year right, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to open this package. I actually have one of the pieces that I got from my boutique. I actually have it on. I may show you guys later. I love, anytime I get clothing, I have to wear the items like before I post them and sell them, because I feel like when you wear it, there's a difference between like trying it on, feeling it, and then actually wearing it. So I like doing that with my pieces, just because I'm not about to sell something that I wouldn't buy with my own money personally. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm wearing one of my pieces. I'm going to show you guys. I guess I can show you in this little mirror. I'll show you the full version later, but I'm about to head out to this place in Houston. It's pretty new. It's called Post. So my friend's about to pick me up now. We're about to head out, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit. So this is one of the pieces that will be available on my site. I'm still trying to figure out the launch date because I do need to work on a few things before I post them to purchase. But this is pretty much like, I wish I would have been able to show you guys my reaction whenever I unboxed this. I was jumping around with joy. Like, I was so happy. This has to be one of the best vendors that I've ordered from. The quality is just like amazing. Like, I'm obsessed with the quality, and I was like, I don't care if nobody buys this stuff, because I will be wearing this, like, I will be wearing this forever. Like, I love it. I'm obsessed. It fits perfect. As you see, it makes the body look good. Okay. I love the little thumb holes on this, the little jacket, the crop jacket. This is just so cute, and I'm obsessed. And wait till you guys see the other piece. So this collection is going to be 2 pieces. This and something else. Wait till you guys see the other one. Okay. But I'm obsessed. I think I'm going to order some other colors, to be honest. I wanted to start with black, because black is, you know, simple, goes with everything. So I ordered a select few because I wasn't sure about the quality. That's the only thing whenever I'm purchasing for my boutique and I'm purchasing like online, like I'm not able to see the actual product. When I first launched my boutique, I had went to LA and went to the fashion district and was able to like feel the pieces in person, try everything on. But now it's a little different when I'm ordering online, especially from a new vendor. But I am amazed with this quality, and I'm so happy I found a good vendor. Like, I'm obsessed, and I'm gonna go back on and see like what else I can find for my site, for my boutique. But yeah, I'm obsessed, and I cannot wait to show you guys the full outfit. I decided I'm gonna take a picture in this fit, and not tag like my business yet. I mean, I may do like coming soon or something, but I'm just too excited. Like, I gotta, like, this is amazing. Like, what? So yeah, oh, I'm sorry, I've been smacking gum. I'm so sorry. But I'm about to go downstairs. So my friend's about to pick me up. We're about to go to this cute little spot called Post, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. We just got to Post. I'm so excited. I haven't been here before. I'm with Sheena.
Hey guys.
I told her to vlog.
Not today. Maybe I'm gonna catch y'all next week.
Right. But she's been here before. She said it's really cute. I've seen pictures and it looks very nice. So we're just gonna grab something to eat, make some content. And I'm gonna take you guys along. Alright guys, so I got the pad thai. Let's see. Actually, it's not pad thai. It's like egg noodles and tofu or something like that. So let's see. Hey guys, I look insane. I have a face mask on. I'm about to start getting ready. I'm gonna be going out tonight to a cute little hookah lounge. Like, I'm sorry. He just looks so cute. Like, I do not let him in my bed, guys, but like, he just looks so cute and cozy. Like, I don't want to disturb him. So I'll eventually kick him out, because, you know, I'm not about that pet being your bed type of life. Cute Oh yeah. You vlog too? Do you vlog? No? Oh really? I'm gonna go ahead and close out tonight's vlog, or this week's vlog, because this is a weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly vlog. I want to say thank you so much to those of you who have followed me on Instagram. I've been getting lots of love on there. Thank you so much. If you found me from Instagram, comment down below and tell me. That's pretty cool, because I've seen some of you guys coming over and subscribing, and that means so much to me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. Be sure to give this a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and I will talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.